Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a demo from Lush. This is one of their Easter bath bombs called Eggy Wegg. It's 7 ounces and it costs $7.45. And so far I'm really liking their Easter bath bombs. They've all been pretty creative and just really fun. This one has 3 eggs embedded on the bath bomb. And what I thought was cool is once some of the pink dissolved, the inside was bright yellow. So once it gets going a bit, it does look like a runny egg yolk coming out into the bath. It was just kind of funny. I wasn't expecting the inside to be yellow. And of course, it did smell really good. The fragrance notes are spearmint and lemon. And so far, I have not met a Lush bath bomb that I didn't like the smell of. I've used pretty many, but I've only recently been recording the bath bomb demos. So if you're interested, I'm going to at least try to do all their seasonal or like holiday bath bombs and maybe pick up a couple extra whenever I go to put in those orders. But typically the videos I do on my channel are bath bomb demos that have jewelry or other items hidden inside. But sometimes I like to change up the pace and, of course, try different companies. So here's the last bit of it where you can see that yellow really coming out, and it looks like the egg cracked open. And there wasn't too much left of it. It was basically just the shell of the outside of the bath bomb. It was kind of fragile because I did pick it up and kind of just wanted to see what was left of it, and then part of it broke off and went flying back in the bathtub, which you'll see here in a moment. But the pink and the yellow are pretty pigmented, so it turned the water a bright orange color. So that's what I have for you today. I hope you enjoyed this demo from Lush. And like I said, if you're interested in seeing other bath bomb demos, make sure you subscribe and like this video. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.